Hello guys, we are at Postonja Cave. That's the UNESCO nature. Yes, I will put it in there. I got my raining coat because I can read. There on the side it says it's 10 degrees in there and could be wet. So I get my raining coat with me. Outside it's really warm. It's busy around here today. So I'm really looking forward to see what's in that cave. Yeah, see you there. I think that's a little preview of the tomb of the cave. Oh, okay. Oh, look at it. I like that. That's so beautiful. Here's a big thing you can shop, you can eat, you can visit a insect zoo. Okay. And yeah, so I will look around. Hi guys, I made it out of the grotto. 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's awesome. It's done it again. The castle is like 9 kilometers away from here. Do this as well. It's worth it. Up there's a whole piazza where you can eat, drink, do stuff. The cave and the castle there was my big highlights, and this was why I came here. So totally worth it. It was at the beginning very expensive. It's 40 euros with parking. So you got the castle, you got the cave and the parking. But if you're in, you see where the money goes, because you got the train, you got very good path, and you got a very nice guide. And in the castle as well, you got like microphones which explain stuff in your language. Like the guides are other language, Slovenian, Italian, German, English. They got different kinds of guides for almost everybody, so it's very nice. Because we went through that thing by train, I got the word of the video will be train. Yeah, train. Der Zug in German, der Zug. Train in English. In Italian, treno. And in Slovenian, it's flak. Flak. So yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys. Bye bye.